Alright. Good afternoon. Okay, we're going to start this off with, has anyone eaten a taco before? Okay, everybody. What are some things that you would find in a taco? Meats. Cheese. Lettuce. Honey.
Olives.
Sour. Ooh. Tomatoes. Onions. Okay. So there's a bunch of different stuff that's in a taco. Now, what we're going to do is, okay, this is the behavior expectation. If you guys could please be quiet when I'm explaining what to do. This is really important because I do have specific instructions for you guys to follow. And if you guys are noisy during it, you guys can't hear and then you mess up and it's like, hey, my taco's ruined. I can't do this anymore. So just be quiet when I'm explaining things. And then I will only answer questions if your hand is raised. So if you guys do that, that'd be awesome. And I hope you have fun. This is supposed to be a fun activity. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And the agenda will be, we'll be making our very own paper tacos. And we will learn what the different kind of resources there are that apply to a taco. And we'll read from the book Tortilla Factory, which will be read on YouTube. I will have you guys read part of that too. And then we'll identify the resource to different parts of a tortilla. Okay, first up, I've handed out some pieces of paper with pictures on it. I'm going to have you guys color it. Okay, first, we'll be coloring the lettuce green. It'll be representing lettuce, of course. So if you guys can do that now. And after you guys are done with the lettuce, you'll be coloring in the tomato, which will be red. Yes?
Can the tops of the tomato be green?
If you want. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that looks like a tomato. And then on the bottom square here, it'll be cheese. Color that yellow to make it look like cheese. And then we'll be having a chicken taco, so you'll be coloring in the chicken brown. When you guys are all done with that, just put your crayons down and look up at me. Just so you know, guys know, these pictures do not have to be perfect. You can color outside the lines if you want. There'll be no judging in this class. You're all done? Got one done. I'm sorry, what? You don't have a yellow? Let's see if we can borrow from someone. Kian has a yellow? Alright. Here you go. Don't want moldy cheese. That'd be gross. You don't want moldy cheese in our tacos. Got two done. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. But I think this is the shape that's 40. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 done. Almost 5. I got that for you.
Thank you.
Problem. So we got, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, never mind. 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 done. We're just waiting for one person. No rush. She's almost done. And Oh no. Alright, we got them in. 8 done. Now we will be cutting out the pictures. Just have to cut out, well, you don't have to cut out the actual shape, just cut out the squares and separate them. Yeah, go for it. If you're done and we're still waiting for people, you may throw away your trash. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 done. All right, next step, we'll be putting the pictures inside your taco, which is this. Let me borrow this. Which is this white plate that I handed out to you guys before we started. We will be gluing each picture onto it. Make sure you color. We'll glue on the back side of the picture and then glue it on here. Please don't glue on the color color side, and then stick it like this, otherwise you will not be able to tell what picture this is. It'll be some weird concoction of bland, and that will not be tasty. So if you guys can start on that. Yeah, they can be overlapping. Yeah, they can be overlapping, not have to worry about it looking perfect. Just make sure that we're able to tell which is which. No rush. At your own pace. It's not a competition. You have to see where it's. No, you don't see where it's. Well, we all know where it's going to live, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't need to see it.
That's the top.
Yeah. It's a Tom. Nice name, it's a Tom. We don't want to look at it. That'd be bad. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and almost 8. Maybe. 8. We got 8 done. All right. So now what we'll be doing is folding our tacos in half. We'll be closing it up. Saving it for later. Now it looks like a taco, doesn't it? Yummy. Alright. Everybody got that?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Okay. So, these are our vocab words. Well, some of them. First off, productive resources. Does anyone want to read it off the board? Alright, Connie.
What we think it is, or
No, you can read off the board.
producers use many different things to make all the goods and services amazing.
Alright. So, and the different types of resources are natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. First off is natural resource. Natural resource is what we get off the land. It is a resource that can be made without people and is a gift of nature. So, what are some examples of natural resources? Yes? Water, that's good. Air. Yeah.
Plants.
Plants.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. Sure. True. Being chickens. That's true. Okay, Ashley.
Like trees, fruits, and vegetables.
Yes, it's a very good example. Okay, what is the primary natural resource used in producing gasoline? Does anybody know?
Coal.
No, that's not what gasoline's made of. Let's try Ashley.
Oil.
Yes. And now, that one. What are some natural resources used at school? Yeah. Air? We all need air, agree?
The lead in our pencils.
Lead and pencils. Yes.
Well, back in the olden days, they used chalk.
Okay. Let's try thinking like outside, like around the building too. What are some natural resources?
The plants and trees.
Yes. And Ashley got one?
Water.
Water. Yes. Alright, these are very, very good examples and are all correct. Next is the human resource. Human resource is the quantity and quality of human effort directed toward producing goods and services. Those who produce our goods and services are known as human resources. What are some examples of human resources? Yes?
Cars.
No. We're talking more like people.
Okay. So, like teachers?
Yes, teachers are good. Were you going to say something?
Yes, I was thinking like students.
Students can be human resources. Try thinking like what your parents are, like what their jobs are.
Pastors.
Pastors, yes, that's a very good one.
Doctors.
Doctors. Okay, Abby?
I wouldn't say things like water testers, like
Water testers. Yeah, that's a human resource. Couple more.
police officers.
Yes. Ashley.
Firemen.
Firemen, yes. Farmers. And Connie?
Like the builders.
Builders, yes. Okay, let's take the last one. Nurses, yes. Those are very good examples of human resources. Now, what are human resources are there used at school? Yes, Abby. Teachers, Kian. Pastors.
Like students.
Students, yeah, those are human resources. Okay. Sure, let's take your examples. Ashley.
Can there also be volunteers?
Volunteers.
Principal.
Principal. You, was yours taken or?
Yeah.
Okay. Ashley got one more?
Lunch people.
Lunch people, yes. Those are all human resources that are used at school. Next is capital resources. These are the tools, equipment, and buildings used to make other goods and services. Goods that are used over and over again are called capital resources. Now, what are some examples of capital resources? Let's take
Like a factory.
a factory. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna say factory? Okay. Let's try. It was Emily.
Yes.
Emily.
Different companies that produce items.
Yeah. Like more like specific items that they make.
Yeah.
Ashley?
Like cars and buses.
Yeah. Doctor's offices. Things in there.
Yeah.
Kind of scary. Okay, Connie.
Paper.
Paper, yeah.
By tools, you mean like hammers and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, hammers.
Cameras and stuff. Ashley.
Books.
Books. Yeah, those are all capital resources are used. Now, what are some of the capital resources used at school? Let's try with Jess. Books.
Pencils and crayons.
Pencils and crayons. Ashley.
Like maps and stuff.
Maps. Yes. Yeah, we're just used to it. Jessica again.
Computers.
Computers. Emily. I'm sorry, what?
Markers.
Markers. Ashley.